Hello and welcome to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and I'm the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. I'm also a Dixie Belle brand ambassador. For today's project, we are doing a simple one-color finish using Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint. As always, before starting any project, you're going to want to remove the hardware and clean inside and out with White Lightning or Pristine Clean. Since this project has a slick and shiny surface, we are going to be prepping this piece with a little bit of Bonding Boss. Bonding Boss is your gripping primer for anything slick or shiny. To apply my Bonding Boss, I like to use a small foam roller and roll it on top of the surface, using a small throwaway brush to get into any nooks and crannies. You're going to apply 2 even coats, waiting approximately 2 to 4 hours in between coats of Bonding Boss, and then wait a full 24 hours before you begin to paint. Let's introduce you to a brand new color. This is called Oxford Fog. This is one of 7 brand new colors from Dixie Belle's new Silk All-in-One Mineral line. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint has a built-in top coat and a built-in primer. That means after you paint on 2 even coats of your choice of color, you are finished painting. There's no need to seal your work. It's best when applying Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint to use a smooth synthetic brush. For today's project, I will be using the Scarlet. The Scarlet fits perfectly inside that 16-ounce can. I painted on 2 even coats of this beautiful color called Oxford Fog, and I was finished. I reused that beautiful hardware, and this piece was done. What do you think of this beautiful new silk paint color? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos coming to you weekly.